Hey, good afternoon. Good Friday. Good Friday. Hey, I want to come to you with a topic today. We want to talk about a 50% VA rating. Um, hey, it's the first level that entitles veterans to no cost health care and prescription drugs beyond the treatment of service connected conditions. As example, my which one was it? My first surgery, I was at 20%, and I had to pay for the medication, which was 5 grand, but the surgery I didn't pay for. Um, so, and then I had another surgery on my right foot, which at that point I think I was at 70% at that point, and I didn't have to pay anything. So it was totally free. So those are some reasons why you want to be at 50%. And then also at 50%, it gets you travel allowance for medical care. Here's another one: waiver of VA funding fee for a home loan. I've used the VA home loan, and I think it's a great program because, you know, when I purchased this house I'm in right now, we got all the way to the inspection, and I didn't pass the inspection. The house didn't pass the inspection, and the inspector called me up to look at in the attic, and he put the light on it. He says, "Look at this wood up here. All that wood is rotten. They put a new roof on here, but they didn't change this wood." So we had to get in contact with the seller who had just paid for the roof, and they couldn't believe what we was telling them. So here's what they had to do. I couldn't close on the house till this roof was repaired. Brand new roof they just put on, so they had to strip the roof, fix all the rotten wood, and I don't know how much they took off of the roof, but because the rest of the house could have been like that also. So they had to put a new roof on, and then I had the inspection all over again, and I passed it this time. But that's why I like the VA loan. They not gonna let you purchase a bad home. I think that's a big deal. Um, Also, at the 50% rating level, you become eligible for additional compensation for your dependents, including your spouse and your children, and also dependent parents. As our parents get up there in age, they can't do everything on their own anymore. So a lot of times your parents end up moving in with you, and the VA actually compensates us for that. So that's a great thing. I don't know another job that does that, but I know with the VA, that's a big deal. Here's another one. Veterans with Veterans with this rating are placed in priority group number one, and that's the highest priority group for VA health care uh, at no cost health care for all medical conditions, not just service connected conditions. So, who could really benefit from this 50% VA rating? Well, what about retirees? Retirees that have lost their health care. A lot of jobs, once you retire, you don't get to keep the health care. Uh, so this program comes in the not program. This 50% rating is huge for that. And there's some vets are still working and their job just doesn't offer health care. Well, this 50% rating will be perfect for that veteran. So, and there's a lot of other ways that this 50% rating will help you. But you just got to look at your situation and then study those ratings, study the compensation, study all your your connected disabilities, and see if there's anything that you left out that could be secondary to your primary conditions, your primary disabilities. So I would definitely do that. Oh, and the income, the compensation for a 50% rating is like $1,041.82. That's a lot of money to be tax free, and then also, hey, that's almost paying for somebody's mortgage. you may be still working and you getting this 50% rating. That makes a difference in a household, right? So we're gonna go with that. That's gonna be it for today, and I'll talk with you guys on tomorrow. Thanks. Bye.